Welcome. If you want more control over your privacy on Snapchat, setting your chats to delete after a certain time is a smart move. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to delete chats with a friend after 7 days of viewing them using the latest Snapchat update. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can manage your account and settings. Next, tap on My Friends to see your full friends list. Scroll through and find the friend whose chat settings you want to change. Once you find their name, press and hold on it for a second. A menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. This is where Snapchat lets you customize how you interact with that specific friend, including how messages are saved or deleted. Now, look for the option called Delete Chats and tap on it. You'll see different choices, but what you want here is 7 days after viewing. Select that option, and you're all set.